Welcome everybody to our Desert Shootout, aka choir practice, the Kyrene Glee Club. Here we are, Tony from AZ Gun Guys. We're going to do a little fun today. We got a little drone action. We've done it before. We're going to try and do it again. We got Big Orange we're going to sacrifice, and one of my airplanes we're going to sacrifice. Our target range is here. We got about 70 or 80 people. Okay, 5 people shooting at the drone. And we're going to see if anybody can knock it out of the air. We have a couple of juveniles who are wonderful shots. My money's on them. Otherwise, we got not AKs, ARs and 22s shooting at this baby. And a 9mm pistol. Everybody ready over there? Let's see what we can do. Camera's rolling, safety's off. Not shoot until I tell you. First I gotta get off the ground. Okay, step left about. That's going to be way too high. Okay, anytime. Thought you guys were good. Here we go.
Must be using blanks.
Thought you guys were good. Here we go. I've seen better shooting at a shooting gallery. Come on. I don't want to take this thing home clean. All right, hold on. There's another magazine, James, right there. See it.
Farther out, better.
Oh! Somebody hit it. Hit the prop. Was that you with a pistol? Sweet! All right, cease fire. Somebody get the drone. Rich, get the drone. Weapons down. Cease fire.
Somebody hit the leg.
Yeah, let's see. Shut the power. Shut the switch off on the bottom.
Oh man, that was a good shot right there.
Yeah. What else? Anywhere else? Yeah, somebody got it here.
Yeah.
I think that was you.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Yeah. There it is. Not bad.
Too close for missiles switching to...
Too close for missiles switching to guns. All right, let's do one more with the drone, with the plane. He's off. Camera's rolling. Bowling ball's the target. In 3, 2, 1.
What's that piece?
That is the engine cowling. They sound like that. Okay, everybody ready? Everybody feeling good? Guns ready? Safety's off. Cameras rolling. Rich, camera rolling. Okay, so again, I want you to stand over here next to Roger. And just like that when I tell you.
Got it.
So give me a chance to line it up and get a feel for the plane, okay, guys? This thing, I have 4 minutes of flight time in this, but I have more batteries in case we don't all hit it. Same rules apply. Be real careful. Hold on. I'm over here telling everybody I don't have my damn ears on. Straight that way is fine. Yeah. Remember that video we shot when that happened to me? I'm standing here bragging about my new gun, and while I'm talking, the goddamn magazine falls out on the floor. Right on video. Shit. Roger, you good? Everybody good? Remember your lanes of fire.
Pretty good breeze right now.
All right, here we go. Ready? I'm going to fire it up. We'll throw it till I tell you. Hopefully I can do this. Keep our fingers crossed. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, here we go.
Jeez, that's fast.
Okay, here we go.
Go!
Oh, who got it?
Go!
Oh no! It's oh, who got it? I think it was James. I think it was you, man. Was it you?
I don't know.
I think it was you. All right, cease fire. Weapons down.
Hit it one more time to make sure.
Wow. I thought for sure that was going to be tougher, although I did give you a whole damn profile.
There's somebody from over there.
I think it was James. Could have been you, Roger. Was it you?
No.
From my angle, it was James.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's from a big gun.
Yeah, that's. Were you shooting your pistol? That's your 9, Rich.
The other one was from one of you guys.
That's your 9.
Oh, Rich, you 2 for 2 now?
Yeah.
But he didn't shoot. Did you shoot? I don't think I brought it down.
No, my shot didn't do it. But this is, because I didn't start shooting when I was coming back. That's what I said. I go, can we shoot? Because it was close.
Yeah, yeah.
He said, yeah. I heard the table over there.
That was sweet. It's still, you hear the electronics still trying to level the wings. Good shooting, Tex. God damn, I'm impressed. And you didn't ruin my battery. That's the best part.
Yeah.
That was cool. I hate to
probably give it
sacrifice
the
one of my new
bullet.
batteries. Thank
Nope.
God that's still flying. You know. So here's the results of today's action. Shot one of the wings off of this dude. One of the arms straight off. Hit the prop down. She went down for the kill. That was the only shot of the day. The only one that hit it, and down it went on one shot. This guy, take a look. This one hits. Got a 9mm hole right there. Pistol. Probably an AR round, but the killer was right there. Took it right in the engine and blew the whole side of it off, and down she went. So it was sweet. Now, for those of you who get crazy about shooting airplanes out of the sky, we shot directly into the mountain behind us. At no time was anything in danger. Everything was perfectly safe. We shot at a low altitude, and everybody did well. So don't give me any crap. It was good. There it is. Very cool, huh? Very nice. Another fun day of shooting in the Arizona desert. AZ Gun Guys. Oh yeah.